Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. New and latest beautiful styling and beautiful designing. Crochet pumpy shoes also now has crochet pumps are elegant and stylish footwear that can be worn indoors or for special occasion. They typically have a more fitted streamlined look compared to regular crochet slipper. Here are a guide to making your own crochet pumpy shoes, and the material needs yarn. Choose a soft yet sturdy, unlike cotton or a cotton blend, and crochet hook typically a size G6 and bracket 4.0 mm and or HD8 and 50 mm depending on your yarn, and insole optional for added comfort, and structured stitch marks to keep track of your rounds, and different styles and different ideas. Looks like chain. The length of your foot usually around 10-12 chains, foundation chains, and like different stitches and different patterns. So I hope you like it my video and my channel, and heels and size for a fitted heels work back and forth in rows, decreasing at the edges to shape the heel cap. Join each row to the side of the shoe. Continue working around the heel and size to create the body of this shoe. You can taper the sides and slightly. So I hope you liked my video.